Yo, tech lovers! If you're hunting for the best Android phones of 2025, you're in the right spot. This year's lineup is insane. Think blazing processors, AI-powered cameras, gigantic batteries, and foldable screens that'll blow your mind. I've tested these top-tier devices on gaming, photography, multitasking, and everyday usage to see which ones truly dominate. Stick around as we rank the top 5 Android phones from powerhouse performance to sleek design. Whether you want speed, camera quality, or futuristic tech, we've got the ultimate guide for you. Let's kick things off with the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, and man, this phone is a beast in every sense. It rocks a 512GB storage option, Snapdragon 8 Elite processor, and a 5000 mAh battery, so multitasking, gaming, and media consumption feels silky smooth. The AI night mode camera is insane. Low-light photos come out bright, detailed, and vibrant, making night photography a joy. The built-in S Pen is a game-changer for productivity and creative tasks, and the 6.8-inch AMOLED display is vibrant, crisp, and buttery smooth. Real-world test. I played Genshin Impact, streamed 4K videos, and ran multiple apps. No lag, zero overheating. Want the ultimate flagship Android experience? Grab the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra via the link in the description. Next up is the Google Pixel 10 Pro XL, a camera wizard and AI powerhouse. It's got the Gemini AI assistant, a triple rear camera system, and a fast-charging 24-plus-hour battery, making it perfect for photographers and power users alike. I tested it in urban streets and low-light scenarios. The AI-assisted photography is next level, with stunning HDR and color accuracy. Multitasking is seamless, and the 6.8-inch Super AXUS display makes scrolling, streaming, and gaming smooth and immersive. Want AI-powered photography and killer performance? Check out the Google Pixel 10 Pro XL in the description. Now let's talk about the Xiaomi 15 5G AI, a phone that's all about raw power and efficiency. With 512GB storage, 12GB RAM, and a 50-megapixel triple Leica camera setup, this phone handles gaming, photography, and multitasking like a pro. The 6.36-inch AMOLED screen is bright, colorful, and smooth, and battery life is surprisingly solid given the power under the hood. I tested it with heavy gaming, social media, and video editing, and the performance remained flawless, no stutters, no lag. If you want a phone that combines cutting-edge AI, big storage, and high-end camera performance, this is it. Want powerhouse performance in your pocket? Grab the Xiaomi 15 5G IE in the description. If you're into speed, sleek design, and ultra-responsive performance, the OnePlus 13 is a standout. With 16GB RAM, 512GB storage, and the Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, this phone handles everything, gaming, multitasking, and streaming, without breaking a sweat. The 80-watt SuperVoost fast charging is a lifesaver. I got full charge in under 30 minutes, which is perfect for on-the-go lifestyles. The Hasselblad camera system delivers detailed, vibrant shots, even in tricky lighting. Real-world test. I ran PUBG Mobile, camera editing apps, and multiple browsers simultaneously. Smooth, zero hiccups. Want speed, style, and insane battery life? Check out the OnePlus 13 link in the description. Finally, the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7, the foldable marvel of 2025. This phone gives you tablet-level screen real estate in a pocketable form, with 256GB storage, long battery life, and AI-powered photography. I tried multitasking with 3 apps open simultaneously, and the foldable display handled it like a champ. The large screen makes gaming and streaming incredible, and the durable hinge design feels sturdy for everyday use. Real-world testing included reading, gaming, and video calls. The Fold 7 delivered productivity and entertainment like no other device. Want a phone that transforms into a mini tablet? Check the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7 via the link in the description. Each phone excels in its niche. Whether you want ultimate photography, raw performance, or foldable multitasking, there's a perfect device for you. Check the description for links to grab your favorite.